Good morning, children. How are you? Okay, think all are fine. Children, previous class we learnt revise 1 to 4 concept. First concept what children terms in chemistry. Second concept electropositive and electronegative elements. And third concept valency. Fourth concept oxidation numbers. Fifth concept radicals. What is radicals? Radicals are ions. Radicals are ions. These all the species ions are called radicals. For example, radicals mean for example, sodium plus 1. So all the species ions are called radicals. Next, potassium plus 1. Next, calcium plus 2. Beryllium plus 2. So those are radicals. Radicals, all the species ions are called radicals. So next, N minus 3, O minus 2, Al plus 3, Cl minus 1, Br minus 1, next I minus 1. Those all are radicals. This the atom contains some charge. That charge is called radical ions are two types. First what is radicals? All these species ions are called radicals. Radicals are ions. Radicals are ions. Ions are two types, cation and anion. Ions are two types, cation and anion. Cation and anion. Cation means positive charge. Anion means negative charge. Cation, anion. Cation, anion. Cation means positive charge. Anion means negative charge. So in this ions, here some cations, some anions is there. Positive charge ions are called cations. Cations examples Na plus 1, K plus 1, Ca plus 2, Al plus 3. Those are cations. Next anions examples Cl minus 1, Br minus 1, I minus 1. Those are anions. O minus 2. Those are anions. What is radical? The charge species ions are called radicals or ions. Ions are classified into two types, cation and anion. Cation means positive charge, anion means negative charge. Cations means Na plus K plus Ca plus. Positive charge ions are called cations. Negative charge ions are called anions. Metals are anion, cations. Non-metals are anions. Next, classifications of radicals. Classifications of radicals are two types, simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions and compound ions. Compound ions. Types of classification. Types of ions two types, cation and anion. Classifications of ions two types, simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions mean same type of atoms combined to form simple ion. O minus 2, for example N minus 2. Those are simple ions. Compound ions mean O minus OH minus compound ion. OH minus SO4 minus 2. Those are compound ions. Compound ions mean simple ions mean same atoms combined to form simple ions. What is compound ions? Different atoms combined to form compound in a single unit is called compound ions. Compound ions, simple ions. Classifications of two types. Classifications of ions two, simple ions and compound ions. Next, anion and cation. This is radicals. Next one, crisscross method. What is find crisscross method now? Crisscross method. Radicals. I revise, that's why we discuss very fast now. Okay, now. Next, radical ions. Radical ions, what is ions or radicals? So all the species ions are called radicals. Radical ions are two types, positive cations and anions. Cations mean positive charged ions, anions mean negative charged ions. Next, classifications of ions two types, simple ions and compound ions. Simple ions mean same type atoms combined to form simple ions. Next, compound ions. What is compound ions? Different atoms combined to form single unit, that is called compound ions. Next, crisscross method. Crisscross crisscross method. How we find crisscross method? You know na. First follow 4 steps. First step, what children? Identify the symbol of the given compound. Next, write valences. Next, apply crisscross method. Next, you take simplest ratio. We have discussed one example only. MgCl. MgCl. Mg charge plus 2, Cl minus 1. Second group element metal Mg plus 2. Chlorine seventh group element non-metal minus 1. So here first what is rules? 4 rules we have discussed in the first rule. First write symbols of the elements MgCl2. After that write valences 2, 1. After that apply crisscross method like this. After do simplest ratio MgCl2. This is crisscross method. In magnesium chloride formula MgCl2. So many examples we have discussed. All examples you should practice, Nana. Okay. Next, radical ions over. Next concept, what children? Radical ions after types of reactions. Types of reactions. Types of reactions. Types of reactions. What is chemical equation, Nana? What is chemical equation? Shorthand representation of an reaction in the form of shorthand representation. What is chemical equation? Shorthand representation of an element in the form of symbols or formulas. Symbols or formulas is known as chemical formula. So next one, for example, we take one reaction. Reaction having some reactant and product. First, before the reaction is called reactant, after the reaction is called product. For example, we take some example Ca plus H2O. Ca plus H2O is equal to CaOH twice. This is one reaction. This is one chemical equation. So left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. Left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. So what is reactant? What is product? How many substances involved in the reaction is called reactant. After the reaction, how many substances to form in the reaction is called product. Left hand side is called reactant. Right hand side is called product. Keep in your mind, Nana. Next, chemical equation. Reactions are two types: balanced equation and unbalanced equation. Balanced equation and unbalanced equation. Balanced equation and unbalanced equation. Balanced equation, another name, stoichiometry equation. Stoichiometry equation. Unbalanced equation, another name, skeletal equation. Skeletal equation. Balanced equations are two types: balanced equation and unbalanced equation. Balanced equation, another name, stoichiometry equation. Unbalanced equation, another name, skeletal equation. First, you do balanced equation. How is do balanced equation? We take one example. 2Mg plus O2 is gives rise to 2MgO. Find the atomic mass in given compound. Here magnesium 24, I think oxygen 32, 16, 16, 32. So here reactant side, product side, find the atomic mass 2 into 24 plus 32. So here 2 4s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 46, 32. Right hand side 2 into 6, 56. Here 48, 2 4s 8. 48 plus 32. Here 2 into 40. Sorry, here 1 also is there, no? 16. So 40. Here 80, here 80. So this is balanced equation. This is unbalanced equation. How is that unbalanced equation? How is that? So for example, Mg plus O2 is rise to MgO. Find the mass of reactant side and product side. Here magnesium atomic mass 24, oxygen 32. Here right side 24 plus 16. 24 plus 16, 42. So here 24 plus 32 over 6, 56. Here reactant side 40. equation. This is unbalanced equation. What is the balanced equation? The total mass of the reactant side is equals to total mass of the product side. That is called balanced equation. Balanced equation another name is gravimetric equation. Unbalanced equation. What is unbalanced equation? The total mass of the reactants is not equals to total mass of the product side. Okay. Next, another definition is there. Balanced equation. The number of atoms present in reactant side. The number of atoms present in reactant side is equals to number of atoms present in product side is called balanced equation. Unbalanced equation another name. The number of atoms present in reactant side is not equals to number of atoms present in product side. Next, we are discuss law of conservation of mass. What is law of conservation of mass? Matter neither be created nor destroyed during the formation of chemical compound is called as law of conservation of mass. Then the definition of law of conservation of mass introduced by Lavoisier. Okay, what is definition of law of conservation of mass? Matter neither be created nor destroyed. Not destroyed. Matter neither created nor destroyed. It can changes one form to another form. What is law of conservation of mass? Law of conservation of mass introduced by Lavoisier. What is definition of law of conservation of mass? Matter neither be created nor destroyed. It can changes one form to another form. And the definition is there. Law of conservation of mass. The total mass of the reactant side is equals to total mass of the product side. So that concept over. We learned that time so many examples also children learn properly. Next concept what children? Next concept types of chemical reactions. Types of chemical reactions. Last concept types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions. How many chemical reactions children? How many types? 9 types. What is first reaction? Chemical combination reaction. Second reaction chemical decomposition reaction. Third reaction reduction, oxidation, redox reaction. Next, first reaction chemical combination reaction, second reaction chemical decomposition reaction, third reaction chemical displacement reaction, fourth reaction chemical double displacement reaction, fifth reaction oxidation, sixth reaction reduction, next reaction redox reaction, next comproportion reaction, next discomproportion reaction. What is chemical combination reaction? Two or more atoms combine to form new substance. For example, the combination of two atoms A and B to form AB. This is chemical combination reaction. Here, two or more atoms or elements or compounds combine to form new product. New substance is known as chemical combination reaction. This is first reaction. Second reaction, chemical decomposition reaction. The chemical decomposition reaction means the substance divided into two or more different atoms or elements or compounds. For example, A, B, C. How is divided into different AB plus BC. AB plus BC or this is a chemical decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction A plus B plus C. So one substance divided into two or more atoms or elements or compound. This is second reaction. Third reaction what children? Chemical displacement reaction. What is chemical displacement reaction? Less reactive element displaced by more reactive element or more reactive element displaced by less reactive element. That time we are learned from reactivity order of metals and reactivity order of non-metals also. Next, fourth reaction. Obviously, chemical displacement reaction, for example, AB plus C. AB plus C. Less reactive element displaced by more reactive element or more reactive element displaced by less reactive element. Obviously, this one CB or BC plus C. This is chemical displacement reaction. Fourth one, chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reaction means mutual exchanging of ions. So, for example, how is AB plus CD? Displacement reaction. reaction. AD plus this. Chemical double displacement reaction. Chemical double displacement reactions are divided into two types: neutralization reaction and precipitation reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Acid react with base to form salt plus water. This is two types. First one neutralization reaction, second one precipitation reaction. What is neutralization reaction? Acid react with base. For example, HCl react with base to form salt plus water. Salt plus water, NaCl plus H2O. This is first reaction. Next, another reaction B, precipitation reaction. Two aqueous solution combine to form PPT. Two aqueous solution combine to form precipitate. That is called precipitation reaction. For example, sodium chloride react with silver nitrate. Sodium chloride react with silver nitrate to form silver chloride PPT. AgCl white PPT. So plus N silver chloride plus silver chloride white PPT NaNO3. This is precipitation reaction. Next, fifth reaction, what children? Fifth reaction, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation. Fifth reaction, oxidation. Sixth reaction, reduction. Oxidation means to lose of electrons. Next, addition of what children? Addition of oxygen. Next, removal of hydrogen. Next, oxidation state increasing. Order of oxidation states. Reduction properties for gain of electrons. Next, addition of hydrogen. Removal of oxygen. Next, decreasing order of oxidation state. This is properties of oxidation and properties of reduction. Next, seventh reaction, what children? Redox reaction. In your textbook given 8th concept, redox reaction. What is redox reactions? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. That is called redox reaction. Seventh one, redox reaction. Redox reaction means oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. We have discussed one example. For example, C plus O2 is gives rise to CO2. In given equation, redox reaction. Find the oxidation number of in each element. In carbon, oxidation number element forms 0, here carbon plus 4, here minus 2. What is redox reaction? Oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. So this is called redox reaction. Here 0 to plus 4 to gain of electrons. So oxidation. Next, 0 to minus 2 lose of electrons, reduction. This is called redox reaction. So for example, we take chemical combination reactions. All chemical combination reactions are not redox reactions. If you take for example chemical decomposed reaction, that is called non-decomposed reaction, not redox reactions. But all displacement reactions are redox reactions. But all redox reactions are non-displacement reaction. That is redox reaction concept. Next, comproportion, discomproportion. Comproportion and discomproportion. 8th one, 9th one. Comproportion and discomproportion of this learn children. Comproportion and discomproportion reaction. Disproportion reaction means same element undergoes oxidation and reduction. We learned some examples in that class. You see properly that reaction and find the oxidation number, and oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously. What is comproportion reaction? Disproportion reaction. disproportion reaction, com proportion reaction. Same element takes place simultaneously. Same element exhibit oxidation and reduction takes place. This is com proportion reaction means one element exhibit different oxidation states, that is called com proportion reaction. Up to this concept all of you learn properly. Next week Friday 8 HM is there children. Learn properly. Okay children. The last concept types of chemical equations I will say key now. Now all of you write correct the bits now. See now last concept I will say key only, some difficult bits is there. I said key, correct your answers. See now worksheet, types of reactions worksheet key. I said now key, answers. Types of chemical reactions worksheet bits. I said now key. Right, correct that is first answer B worksheet. Worksheet. First bit B, second bit A, third bit B, fourth bit A, fifth bit A, seventh D, eighth bit A, ninth answer C, 10th B, 11 C, 12th A. Any doubt you ask through the WhatsApp now. Next 13th bit. Which of the following reactions involve the combination of two elements? See once I will read. First bit what Nana? HCl plus Na versus B raised to NaCl plus H2 is examples of double displacement reaction. Second bit C plus what is B raised to C what is examples of combination reactions. Third bit. Next 13 bit C once. Which of the following reactants involve the combination of two elements? Combination of two elements. Which answers A, B, C I think? A, B also. Second one, this one also. 14th one, D. 15th, A and B. 16th bit, B. 17th, C. 18th, C. 19th, C. 20 bit B, 21 D, 22 A, 23 A, 24 B, 25 B, 26 D, 26 B. Next 27 bit D, 28 D, 29 A. This is concept 7. Concept 8 is no problem. Children, this bits see properly. Check your answers, Nana. Okay. All the best, all of you. Learn properly in your exam. Okay, Nana. See you next class.